Happy Friday, I'm Ashley King, and we start this afternoon with news from D.C. The Supreme Court dealt a major blow to President Trump's economic policies today, striking down his sweeping use of tariffs. Natalie Brand reports from the White House.
In a 6-3 ruling, the Supreme Court struck down President Trump's sweeping tariff agenda, writing that the International Emergency Economic Powers Act does not authorize the president to impose tariffs.
It looks like that this is all about the idea that the Constitution gives Congress the power to regulate commerce, that the Constitution gives Congress the power to impose taxes.
President Trump announced global tariffs last April on what he called Liberation Day. He had argued as recently as Thursday that a ruling against his tariffs would be an economic blow to the country.
We have to be before the Supreme Court of the United States to justify tariffs, which are making every one of these businesses thrive. And without them, all these buildings are closed, like they have been before I got here.
Small businesses and a group of states brought the legal challenge to the court in November.
These tariffs aren't paid by foreign governments or companies. It's American businesses like mine and American consumers that are footing the bill.
The majority opinion included 2 of the 3 justices President Trump appointed, Barrett and Gorsuch. Only Justices Kavanaugh, Alito, and Thomas dissented. The Supreme Court decision impacts the so-called reciprocal tariffs, but does not prevent the president from imposing sector-specific tariffs under different trade laws, including levies on copper, steel, and aluminum, which remain in effect. Natalie Brand, CBS News, the White House.
A coalition of small business owners are now calling to be fully refunded for the tariffs that were collected. The ruling today did not address how that might happen.